Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix missing Instagram notes. To start the process, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here, tap on Menu on your top right corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Here, tap on Switch to Professional Account. Tap on Continue. Now select any category according to your preferences. Then tap on Done. Now select any one option from here. Tap on Next. Here, tap on Continue. You're adding these accounts to the same account center. Then tap on Continue. Here, tap on Yes, Finish Adding. Now go back and open your DMs. As you can see, the note feature has appeared on our screen. Tap on it to share a thought with your friends. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.